To organize my clothes and reduce the amount of space they take up, I decided to try these vacuum storage bags. When I opened the box, I found two packages. Each package contains 4 clear XXL bags, for a total of 8 extra large bags. The box includes only the bags. I unfolded one of them to see its full size. The XXL label and dimensions are printed on the clear plastic, along with the basic instructions. Fill the bag, seal the zipper, remove the air through the valve, and store it. Next, I gathered the clothes I wanted to organize. I folded pants, shirts, sweaters, and other garments before placing them inside. I distributed the clothing evenly and left enough space at the top of each bag so I could close it. Since the plastic is clear, I could identify the contents without having to open the bags again. Once the bags were filled, I aligned the zipper and moved the closure from one side to the other on each one. I checked the edges with my fingers to make sure every bag was completely sealed. Then I removed the valve cap, placed a manual pump I already had over the opening, and began moving it up and down. As the air came out, I could see the plastic tightening around the clothes and the bags becoming noticeably flatter. I repeated the process with the remaining bags and kept each group of clothing separated. When I finished, I replaced the valve caps and checked the closures again.